Stop waiting for change. Start create your own freedom. Happy Freedom Friday, everyone. It's so wonderful to have you all here today. Whether you're joining live or you are watching the replay, you are really, really welcome. For those who are watching me live, thank you for spending time with me. I really appreciate that. But today I want to talk about something powerful. Stop waiting for change. Creating your own freedom starts now. In other words, I'm going to show you today how to become the CEO of your own life. Because so many people are waiting for the economy to improve, waiting for their boss to notice them, waiting for the perfect opportunity. But real change usually begins the moment we realize something important. No one is coming to rescue us, and that's actually empowering. When you accept the truth, you begin to realize something even more powerful. You have the ability to create your life you want to live. But before we dive in, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Lenet Badenhorst. I'm based in Vanderbijlpark, South Africa. Excuse me. And for more than 10 years, I've been helping entrepreneurs, business owners, and professionals, as well as everyday individuals, explore ways to build recurring income through a structured online system without needing to sell stock or pressure anyone into buying products. I love that. I don't like pushing people into buying something so that they can make money. My goal is simply to educate people about options so they can make informed decisions about financial futures. If you are watching live, please say hello in the comments. And a special welcome to my regular attendees, Belinda, Peter, Bella, Andries, and all those who are watching my live. I do appreciate your support. And if you're watching the replay, drop a replay so that in the comments so that I can come back and greet you. I've also created a free guide called No Time, No Money, No Problem. This guide explains the basic mindset and structure needed when someone wants to explore building a recurring income stream. You can grab it here on https://go.lenetbadenhorst.com/no-time. I spell my name LINEBadenhorst.com/no-time. Or simply comment no-time below and I'll make sure you get it. But why are people waiting to be rescued? And let's start with an honest question. Why do so many people wait? Why do people stay in situations that make them unhappy, financially stressed, or stuck? Usually it comes down to three things. First, fear of making the wrong decision. Many people are afraid of trying something new. They think, what if it doesn't work? What if I fail? What if people judge me? But here's something important. Every successful entrepreneur has tried things that didn't work. I think, I don't know who's the guy who started the light bulb, but he did 10,000 times. He made it wrong before he perfected it. And that is, if he have given up at any time before we succeeded, we wouldn't have a light bulb. We would now be in the dark. But every successful entrepreneur has tried things that didn't work. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of the process. Secondly, waiting for perfect timing. People often say, I'll start when things calm down. I'll start when I have more money. I'll start when I have more time. So many people wait for that change to come, and it never comes because you will be always busy. Let me share a real conversation I had this week with you. I spoke to a lady who told me that right now things are simply too busy for her to spend time in learning about building an additional income stream. She explained that her car's air conditioner has broken down, the petrol is getting expensive, and sometimes she has to carefully plan how she uses her fuel for the week. And yet, even with those challenges, she told me she's waiting for a better time to start changing her financial future. Now, I want you to think a moment about that. When life feels financially tight, when things feel stressful, and when expenses keep showing up, that is often exactly when people will say they'll start later. But here's the interesting part. If we keep waiting for the moment when everything is perfect, when life is calm, when money is abundant, when we have extra time, that moment might never come. Sometimes the most powerful decision we can make is simply this: start learning while life is still busy. I always say I like to talk to busy people because all the others are busy doing nothing. So if you're busy, you are the kind of person I love to talk to. We are not here to overwhelm ourselves, not to ask you to take huge risk, but simply to begin exploring options and educating yourself about what could improve in your future. Because change rarely happens while we are waiting. It usually begins when we decide to make a small step forward, even if life isn't perfect yet. But the truth is, perfect timing almost never arrives. Life will always be busy. Responsibilities will always exist. And sometimes the biggest breakthroughs happen when we decide to start, before everything falls perfect. When I started my journey in Deelpoint, I didn't have time, I didn't have money, but I realized for things to change, I needed to change something, because nothing is going to change unless I make that decision. And that decision was the best decision I've ever made in my entire life. But the decision lies with you. Nobody can force you to make that decision. The third thing is believing someone else controls your future. Many people believe that their future depends entirely on a boss, a company, the economy, or the government. And while these things do influence our lives, they shouldn't completely control our future. We need to become the CEO of our own lives. And when you become the CEO of your own life, in other words, take control of your life, something shifts. You stop asking, what will happen to me? And you start asking, what can I create? But what does it mean to become the CEO of your life? Being the CEO of your own life doesn't mean quitting your job tomorrow. It doesn't mean taking reckless risks. It simply means taking ownership. Ownership of your decisions, your income strategy, your personal growth. A CEO does three important things. CEOs, first of all, think long term. Employees are usually paid for time. CEOs think in systems. They ask, how can I build something that continues to grow over time? And that's where the concept of recurring income becomes powerful. Instead of only earning once for effort, you begin building structures that can generate income repeatedly over time. Of course, this requires effort, patience, and consistency. But the principle is simple. Build once, improve continuously, and allow growth to compound. Secondly, CEOs takes responsibility. When something goes wrong in a business, a CEO doesn't blame everyone else. I hear it so often. It's always someone else's fault. It's never your fault. But CEOs then ask, what can we improve? That mind shift is powerful. Instead of saying the economy is bad, you begin asking what opportunity still exists. Number 3, CEOs invest in learning. Every successful entrepreneur invests in knowledge. Knowledge is power. They invest in books, courses, mentors, communities, because information shortens the learning curve. That's one reason I host these Freedom Friday sessions, so people can learn before they decide anything. Education always comes first. But why is recurring income so important? And let's talk about something practical. Most people rely on one income stream, their salary. And there's nothing wrong with a job. Jobs are important. But relying on one income stream can create pressure. Recurring income changes that dynamic. It allows people to begin building an additional income stream that grows over time, depending on their effort, consistency, and the system they use. This doesn't happen overnight. It isn't automatic, but when structured correctly, recurring income models can allow individuals to gradually build more financial flexibility. For many people, that flexibility means less stress about bills, more options for the future, more time with the family. And that's really what financial freedom is about. Not luxury, but by choice. And here's a real realistic path forward. If someone wants to become the CEO of their own life, where do they begin? I've got 4 practical steps here. First step, shift your mindset. The first step is always in creating any kind of change in your life is always to shift the way you think about your future. Many people go through life believing that everything is determined by external circumstances, their job, their economy, their background, or opportunities that come their way. But one of the most powerful realizations you can have is this: your future is something you can influence. Now, that doesn't mean you control everything. Life will always bring unexpected challenges. It's not what happened to you, it's what you do with what happens to you. Sometimes things happen that are outside of your control. Economic shifts, unexpected expenses, or circumstances that we didn't plan for. But while you cannot control everything that happens to you, there's something incredibly important that you do control. You control your mindset, your decisions, your actions, and how you respond to situations. You cannot control other people. You cannot control the entire world around you, but you have full control over yourself. You control the choices you make today. You control the skills you decide to learn. You control the opportunities you decide to explore. And sometimes the biggest transformation begins with a very simple thought. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me? You start asking, what can I do next? That shift alone can change the direction of your life. The second step is start learning about systems. The second step is to begin learning about systems. Most people are taught that income only comes from one place, trading time for money. You work a certain number of hours, you get paid for those hours. And again, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Jobs are important and valuable. But what many people never learn is that income can also come from systems that continue producing results over time. I'm doing it for more than 10 years. A system is simply a structure that keeps working once it is set up and maintained. Businesses use systems. Technology platforms use systems. Online platforms use systems. Instead of depending only on effort every single day, systems allow people to build something that can grow gradually over time. Understanding how these systems work is an important step in expanding your financial knowledge. It doesn't mean you immediately jump into something new. It simply means you begin educating yourself about what options exist. Because the more you learn, the more confident your decisions become. The third step, take small, consistent action. Consistency is for me the most important part of anything. Once your mindset starts shifting and you begin learning about new possibilities, the next step is to take action, to implement what you have learned. It's no use to learn everything and you don't apply it. We need to start applying what we've learned. But this is where many people misunderstand the process. They think change requires huge dramatic moves, quitting everything, taking big risks, massive action decisions overnight. In reality, most meaningful progress happens through small, consistent actions. Reading for 15 minutes a day, learning one new concept each week, taking small steps to improve your knowledge and skills. Over time, those small steps begin to add up. One of my favorite reminders is this: consistency beats intensity. I repeat it, consistency beats intensity always. Doing something small consistently will always produce better results than doing something big once and then stop. Think of it like planting seeds. You don't plant a seed today and expect a tree tomorrow. But if you nurture it consistently, over time, growth becomes visible. And the same principle applies to building a stronger financial future. Number 4, fourth step is surround yourself with the right community. The final step is sometimes something that many people underestimate. Your environment shapes your thinking. The people you spend time with, the conversation you have, and the ideas you are exposed to all influence you, how you see the world. If you spend time around people who constantly focus on limitations, fear, or negativity, it becomes very easy to adopt that same mindset. But when you surround yourself with people who are focused on learning, growth, and personal development, and exploring opportunities, something interesting begins to happen. Your thinking expands. You start seeing possibilities you didn't notice before. You begin asking better questions. You start believing that change might actually be possible. That's why communities built around learning and growth can be incredibly powerful. Not because they promise instant results, but because they help people develop the mindset and the knowledge needed to move forward. And when your mindset grows, your actions always follows. If this conversation resonates with you and you are curious about how recurring income system works, I created a free guide to explain the basics. It's called No Time, No Money, No Problem. This guide walks through the mindset structure and the simple steps many people explore when they start learning about building recurring income streams. You can download it here on https://go.lynettebadenhorst.com/no-time, or simply comment no time and I'll send it to you. Again, the purpose is purely educational, so you can decide for yourself whether this type of income model is something you'd like to explore further. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment and tell me, what is one thing you would change in your life if you had more financial flexibility? I always enjoy hearing your thoughts and experiences. Thank you so much for joining me this Freedom Friday. I hope today's session encouraged you to think a little bit differently about your future. Remember, you don't need permission to improve your life. You don't need the perfect timing. And you certainly don't need to wait for someone to rescue you. The moment you take responsibility for your future is the moment your journey towards freedom begins. I know, because I was there. The moment I made that decision that nothing is going to stop me, I will achieve what I want to, no matter what, I did it. And you can do it too. Start where you are. Learn what you can. Stay consistent and build one step at a time. If you enjoyed this session, make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery channel. I share weekly insights and strategies focused on personal growth, financial education, and recurring income principles. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a session. You can also visit my blog at www.lynettebadenhorst.com/blogs. And of course, feel free to like, follow, and share this live if you believe someone else could benefit from it. Thank you again for spending time with me today. Until next week, stay motivated, stay consistent. And remember, your future is something you can build, one decision at a time. Bye for now.